Hey, why didn't the muffler go trunk-or-treating? He was exhausted. Oh, boy. Looking for some trunks or treats. Sheriff's taking tails to the streams. Help us with radiator screams. So creep on in and find yourself a trail. And keep an eye on your kids, because these Haul-O-Ween loving treasures are ready for one wild JamBOOree. Hey, everybody, grab you a costume and put her on.